Number talk 3. Another 3 questions. Every single one of these number talks has 3 questions. So you have to remember, you've got to do this. First question. What are some ways you can use an array to determine the solution? How can we break the model into smaller pieces to make things more manageable? So how would you use an array? So 94 dots would be a lot in this array, wouldn't it? So perhaps we might need to narrow it down. So I don't want to draw 94 dots. I doubt you would either. So maybe we have to do the mathematics. It's a big one, isn't it? What if we do this? What if I added an extra 4 there? Make it even 100. 100 divided by 4, what's 4 quarters is 25. So now take one of those 4s out, it'll be 24. So I just worked out then, in my head, it was because I added an extra 4, then removed that extra 4, that the answer is 24. I'll do it again. Added one extra 4 there to make it an even 100. A quarter of 100, which I know, is 25. 25, 50, 75, 100. So 100 divided by 4 is 25. But then I added 1 4. So now I'm going to remove 1 from 25, which is 24. I can easily do 24 dots. So that's how I've done this model into smaller pieces, and I've managed an array. And again, an array is a series of dots. Paper, I'm going to use this. So imagine 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is taking forever. There's my array. Right there. Dots. Question 2. What are some ways to deconstruct the dividend to help determine the solution? Okay. So deconstruct it. Why did you decide to break it apart in this way? So how would you deconstruct 96 to make it easier for yourself? Is basically what they're saying. I didn't deconstruct. I constructed one to get my answer, but how would you deconstruct it? Would you divide it by 12? Would you divide it by 2? So now it's 48. Yes. Good maths, Mr. Longhurst. 48 divided by 4. Well, if you know your 4 times tables, then that'd be 12. Then you just double the number. So 12 and 12, put them together, 24. That's one deconstruction. Halve this number. Halve. Dividing by 2. Write a word problem that represents this expression. Share your word problem with a partner or a parent. How does your word problem represent the expression? So the expression is the question. It's another way of saying it. So you're going to write a word problem. There are 96 people in a crowd. Social distancing requires us to have 4 separate corners, to put everyone in each corner to separate them. How many will be in each corner? There's your number 2 question. You are so welcome. Have fun.